Welcome to La Bohème family, a tight-knit trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom, exploration, and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. It's all about living life in our own terms, embracing the unknown and showing Luna the beauty and diversity of our planet. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. We can't wait to take you along on this incredible journey. So hit the subscribe button and let's set sail together. Here we are. Finally, I took the courage to record myself and I will try to explain to you guys our situation right now. Yes, we want to live a different lifestyle. We want to travel the world in our sailboat and we want to be free somehow. We want to experience true freedom. But right now our situation is a little bit complicated because my partner Onur, he's in Miami, and Luna and I, we are here in Italy living in our apartment, and we bought a sailboat, and the sailboat is located all the way in Bristol, Maine, close to Portland. So as you can see, we are all separated right now, and we are trying to find a way to reach our goal, to reach our dream, and to be together again. So in order to make this happen, we decided to split. So Onur is going to Maine to fix the boat because unfortunately right now the boat is not in a good shape.
Yes, I left Miami today. I pack everything. As you see, my stuff's everywhere. And right now I'm going to Maine. On the way of the Maine, I just stopped 7-Eleven, as you guys see. And look at my behind. This is all farms. This is Maryland. There is nothing. I will show you here, and you guys can see there is nothing. Oh my God, after 2 days driving, and I've just find the baby over here sitting. It's a rough shape, but we will do it. And this is the place, like there is middle of in the forest. I will show you at least place how it is look. That's the baby over here. She's waiting for us to sail around the world. Let's see how it will work. Need a love. Need so much love. Let's see that.
In the meantime, I will be here in Italy organizing the house, put everything in boxes and try to rent out this apartment. And of course, taking care of Luna is always the priority. Let's be honest, she, being just 1 year old, needs all my attention and a little extra. She's the boss around here. Keeping up with her is like a full-time job, but with plenty of smiles. If you like classic boats and the adventure of sailing around the world, subscribe to our YouTube channel and consider to support us in Patreon. Your support will help us to restore our sailboat and share the beauty of our journey with you. Join us and be part of this amazing adventure.